Hey everybody, it's day 3. I've made some progress, so check this out. Got the fish, looking nice right now. Just gotta sand the edge a little bit, so this will be one of my boards. I got my other board over here. Come over here, I guess I'm gonna stash my wetsuits in California. Don't need those in Nicaragua. Yeah, we got my lost board. This one's pretty much ready to rip. Just gotta take this wax off so it doesn't melt in the surf bag I got. All right, getting this board fixed up. Gotta take off this tape. Yep, so we're gonna have this excess. Gotta trim down. Filling the hole basically here is what I'm doing. Now we gotta sand this guy. Alright, sweet. Now we've trimmed down the Q cell. It's ready to laminate. Alright, all the boards are ready. Alright everybody, big news. The boards are all ready, so check it. We got the 6'2" fish. This one with a custom paint I did on it. That one will be a whipper. My buddy Chase's board. The infamous Flame. So we'll be bringing this guy. And then this one's my board, the Lost Mayhem, and it's all decked out in red, white, and blue. So, yeah, pretty crazy now. I'm gonna pack the board back. All right, guys, I'm super excited. Check this out. Things are going on, so we got a little bit of extra stuff to bring. I've got tons of fins, and we got all the boards packed. Woo! Hey, let's go. Time to go get some shots. Last time I was in the jungle, I got dengue, so hoping to avoid that this time. I don't know if you guys have seen elevators like this, but this makes me kind of concerned. I'm also covered in rain, but I'm gonna get my vaccine, so you know, pretty excited for that. So far, going well in the elevator. There's me, this carpet behind me. See what's going on the other side. Oh, we made it. Oh. Alright, it's time to go. Wow, it is coming down in LA. Just got my shots, all good to go. Woohoo! Alright, I'm here in my car. At the first dealership, I'm at Honda. I'm gonna try to sell it. It's raining out a lot, so still got 2 days here. So if I sell it, see how I get around next couple days, but hopefully we'll make some cash. Alright, it did not go well at Honda, so I'm here at CarMax, hoping to get a better deal. Gotta sell the Subi. Oh, I'm gonna miss this thing. My one love. Oh. Alright everybody, I'm super stoked. CarMax is giving me a great offer on the car. Check this out. This is probably what I bought the car for. Yeah, and I've been making payments on it, so I'm gonna get a little bit of extra guac. But I guess I forgot to pay my registration, so I gotta head across the street, take care of that, and then I think the car's gonna be gone. Woo! Alright everybody, check this out. I was able to use this DMV kiosk and got the stuff. Alright, let's go. That honestly was so awesome. The registration was in here and bam, CarMax is right across the street. So let's go sell this car. Woo! And I sold the car. Hey. Got a little bit of cash, so that'll help me for a little bit. All right, update for today. Got some clothes. Closets are getting empty. Some stuff I'm gonna keep. yeah, I gotta sell this. But yeah, things are going along. Most stuff in the room is pretty much taken care of. And then this is my little garage sale I got. I'm gonna miss this, my broken board. Can't take that guy. Then over here, holy cow, we got stuff to take care of. Wow, holy shit, look at all this. All right, everybody, this is pretty wild. Check this out. This is all my furniture pretty much. So, you know, hit up Euban, my roommate, Euban Route, if you need some stuff. Got a bunch of stuff going, fire sale. Got myself a birthday present. Oh, dude, I'm ready to rip that thing. Got some protein. Everyone, I'm being a lot safer. I got a water purifier, first aid kit, so much sunscreen, like contacts that'll take up like my whole bag. And yeah, I'm gonna try to bring some of my repair stuff too. So my sander, that stuff. So we'll see what makes the cut. But I got about 5 hours till I go to the airport. So I'm cooking up some food and then it is off to Managua. I'll see you at the airport. All right, it's almost time. Check it out. Oh my gosh. My skateboard. Freaking stoked to rip that thing. My backpack, and the boards. Let's go. Okay, this is crazy. I'm closing the garage and then I'm on my way. All right, here we go. Oh man, I messed it up. Gotta go again. Okay, I made it. Here's the stuff. Alright, here we go. All set. Got all the bags. Let's go. Got all this stuff.